What up, everybody? In this video, I am going to be continuing to work on my battle screen, and I'm going to hopefully start adding in some functionality. I'm going to put a box here that has the attack, uh, whatever attack, magic, items, and run, or whatever, just the generic command box down here. And to do that, I think we're just going to have to make the battle system like an entire class by itself. So let's go ahead and jump into the code. So to do that, we're going to come over here to game functions because this is going to be part of the functionality of the game. And we're going to make a new class just called battles. And in this, we are going to want to make it a Pygame sprite. So I can move my cursor around and have it be able to do things with my cursor, like click on the things. And I want to um, go ahead and import this, our stats points from our players and monsters. So now we just initiate everything really fast. Did I forget one here? No, I spelled it wrong. There we go. And then self, and then we're going to want x, y, width, and height, like normal, and maybe some other things. And so to initiate that, we go pi, just type them back out, sprite dot init, and then we just need to initialize itself, and then pm dot stats points dot init, and then we want to do that. Okay, so that should take care of our basics, the self, the XY, for the rectangle and everything like that. Our self.image is going to be none, just like normal, as we'll load that in. And our self.rect is going to just be a pygame.rect like normal as well. Self.x and self.y, self.w, and self.h. Okay, so for the first thing we are going to want to do in our little battle screen here is I want to put the cursor on the screen so I can see if I can move that around. So we will go definition, load image, then we'll take self, and that'll be it with this one. Okay. If self.image is none, we want our self.image to be, I just made a little arrow cursor thing in Paint, so that's what we will put on the screen. Pygame.load, image.load, and then we're going to do join. Okay, well, we have to import that real fast. From OS, path, import, join. Oops. From, there we go. OS path, import, join. Okay, so that works. And then we want to join the folders. I think I called it battle stuff. Yep. And then I just want to pull, and then I don't remember if I capitalized it. I didn't even put it in there, so battle stuff. Okay, so I did capitalize the PNG, so cursor.png, and now we will convert alpha. Okay, and that should be enough. And now we want to just go draw underscore cursor. And then we need self and then screen. And then we will go self load underscore image. And then so scream dot blit and then self dot rect. That should be enough. Oh, we need one more thing. We need to make cursor is equal to battles. And for the width, we'll go about 30% into the screen. The height, we'll do about 80% towards the bottom. And then 32 by 32. Okay, now we can go over here. And now while we're battling, we also want to go gf cursor draw our cursor on self.screen. Okay, so now when we go into our battle, hopefully we have that. Oh, what do we got going on here? I guess you put self. Oh, whoops. Not stats points. Where did I? Which one? Oh, I put it in rectangle, so that's what's going on. Okay. So we're just going to put our own little class over here so we don't have to do that. Okay. We're going to go get rid of this, and we're just going to put rectangle in here. All right, this should fix it. Okay, there we go. Let's go get into our battle. And there is our little arrow. So now we should be able to take this arrow and we will be able to put attack, magic item, or run. And then when we click on that, we will be able to and then switch turns back and forth. So it's his turn, then my turn, then his turn, then my turn. Now that we have our arrow, we want to keep that these draw definitions under. So we're going to say self.font is equal to pygame.font.system font. And we're just going to make it Arial. And then for size, so here are, it needs the not name, size, bold, italic. How big do we want this? We probably don't want this very big, so let's just say 24, and that should be enough. We might need this self. Okay, so we're gonna make a function called battle battle selection. And then this is going to take in self and screen as well. Okay, so for this though, how do we want to do this? We want words. So we're going to say options is equal to self.font.render. Let's just say attack. Gotta have enough space in there. I don't know. We'll play with this. So across from the attack, we're gonna want our item. And then on a new line, we're going to want magic and run. Okay. Now let's go anti-alias. We'll just say true. Oops, let's spell that right. True. Color. It'll just be black for now. We can customize all this later. The background color, we want that to be white. And then our wrap length, I do not know. Let's just start it off at 150. And now our options underscore rect is going to be equal to self.rect. Is that a thing? All right, and now screen dot bullet options and well, I don't know. Since we're using a self.rect anyways, we could probably just get rid of that and just go like this then, huh? Self.rect. So we're going to say this is going to be battle options. And this is going to be equal to battles. We wanted this similar. I don't know what this is going to look like, but we're going to say times 0.4 because we want it just, or 3.5 because we want it over just a little. And I think we might want it at the same height as our cursor. And for the width and the height, 320 by 320. Let's just see what that looks like. Now let's go ahead and draw this on our screen. Battle options. And this takes self.screen. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Hopefully it's just some words. Battles is not callable. I'm not trying to call. Oh, I am trying to call battles. Whoops. No, what did I name this? What did I name this? Oh, I named. Oh, and then we're gonna do battle selection. There we go. Okay, now let's try this. Okay, so hopefully this will give us almost. Maybe if I delete one of them. That's almost really good. So we're under game functions. Two, okay. And now we'll try this one more time. And that's pretty good. Now I am going to want to Now I am gonna want to be able to move my cursor over those individuals. So we have to figure out. First, I want to make. We need to make under our game functions a way to move the cursor. So we're gonna say move cursor, and this is going to take self, and then this is going to take screen keys. Excuse me. I don't think it will take screen. And then if keys, and then pi game, because we need the out of this, we need key underscore left. No, it's k underscore left. And we want to make our cursor. Yeah, because I'm going to be using the cursor instance to call this. So self dot rect dot x is, and we're just, instead of like on our other one, instead of adding it, we're just going to tell it. Ooh. Just for the test video purposes, for self.rect is equal to this is going to be really, really hard. And then we want to make it bigger. So times 0.35. Or maybe just times 0.4. And we'll go ahead and put this under the draw function so it will handle everything. And we will just add the keys to that. And we will go self.move cursor. And then we'll have to have the keys. Okay, so now all as we should have to do is add up here our keys. And now let's try that out. Okay, nope, that completely got rid of my cursor. Let's get rid of this for now then, and pull this back up. Okay, so I think that is where I'm going to end the video, as I try to figure out a good way to wrap that all together, and I can move the cursor up, down, left, and right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.